Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Vellabox, my favorite candle subscription. I am super excited to see what we got today, and I'm also really excited to share that they just gave us an even better promo code. For a while, I had a code with Vellabox to get $5 off your first order, but now it's 50% off your first order. So they have 3 different subscription plans starting at $10. So you would save $5 before on any of them, but now on the 2 bigger tiers or higher tier subscription plans, you save even more money. So I highly recommend this box. I've been opening it forever. I do get it kindly sent to me free in PR now, but I also have a paid version. So I was like, should I admit that I get it twice a month? But yeah, that's how much I love it. I love their candles. I love that they feature new artisans each month, and they're all made in small batches without any icky stuff. A while ago, before I learned this, I didn't realize there were a lot of typical candles you find in the store, like at the drugstore or something, have a lot of chemicals that are going into your air when you burn them. So I stopped using those, and I love the all the candles we get from Vellabox for that reason, but mostly because they smell super good and the burn time is awesome, and they're a very eco-friendly, sustainable company. So I just love them so much. And you get a goodie to use with your or goodie in your a free gift, I should say, with each of your subscriptions each month. And yeah, they give you ideas on how to repurpose your candles once they're done. So I love Vellabox. So thank you, Vellabox, for sending this to me and for providing that code. I will link them down below. I believe it's kittysboxes in all caps 50, but again, the link and the code will be down below to save money. So thank you again, and thank you guys for being here. If you guys are new, welcome, and welcome back to everyone who's been around. Love ya. But my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around before you go. But now, candle. So I get the Vellabox. This is the $30 subscription. And oh yeah, I love it. On the box here, let's see if I missed anything. Artisan made, luxury scents, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging, natural ingredients, support small artisans. Yep. One thing I forgot to mention is that now, in recent months, they started a scent profile. So you can let them know what scent you like, you don't like, so you customize your box. And this is new too. They send you a Spotify playlist. I think that's super cute. And we have a quote here. "We know more from nature than we can it will communicate." Sorry, let me say that again. I feel like I stumbled. "We know more from nature that we can it will communicate. Its light flows into the mind evermore, and we forget its presence." Ralph Waldo Emerson. I love that. And the playlist is called Reset and Restore. And there's a tree there. And the candles each month come in this reusable canvas bag. I love this one. It's like a mint green. We have a mint green surprise item. Oh my god. I'm super excited. And it goes with reusing your candle. We'll get to that after. Let's start with the candle first. So on here we'll get some information about where our candle comes from. And this month they partnered with Hide Nor Hair, and they are based out of Canton, Connecticut. So this is what the label looks like. I love it. I love sleek labels. And so in the $30 subscription, you get this bigger 16-ounce candle. And this is vegan soy candles, and I received the scent Santino. I chose this one. It has Palo Santo wood. I love Palo Santo. I just lit some earlier. I love the smell. I even had Palo Santo deodorant, which I want to repurchase, the scent, and it also contained it. So Palo Santo wood, warm amber, and musk. And they use 100% soy wax, phthalate-free fragrance, and it's hand poured. And the other choices were Camellia for the citrus and herbal fans, and that has white tea, mandarin, ginger, and jasmine notes, or Rainwater for the fans of floral. Lily of the Valley, green leaves, and ozone are in that one. So, and the description for this one says, "Ground yourself in the moment with this rich and earthen candle." I can't believe I waited this long to take a sniff. Oh my god, it smells so good. And by the way, for the category of scents, this is in the Woodsy fan club, I guess it's, I'm a Woodsy fan. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell. I know I say this, I'm a big dork and I repeat it all the time, but like smell-o-vision would be so amazing. It's not like super strong or anything too. Like I've asked you guys, some people, you know, are like, get headaches or something when they have strong scent, but I've asked other people who have that issue how they do with the Vellabox candles, and they said they can handle them. So that's just, I wanted to pass on that information. It's not me specifically. I've never had any issues. I cannot wait to start burning this. Oh my gosh. But now, before I go do that, let me show you the extra item. So this, when you're done with your candle, you can put it on top. And this is to help with propagation of your plants. You guys, I am like a total plant mom. I love my plants so much. But I think this is so cute. So it fits on top. And let me show you here. So, oh, actually you put it this way, I guess. I don't know. And it says, this is a propagation cone. Happy Earth Month. In an effort to cut down on packaging waste, we present you with a tool that will encourage the reuse of our candle jar. Love that about them. So that is so awesome. I've been thinking about propagating some plants. Like, I almost went to the plant store. My friend was going today and they asked if I wanted to come. I was like, yes, but I'm busy. But I wanted to like go to like my friends' houses and stuff and grab some of their plants and like a cutting and grow them here. Or do that to some of my own and like get plants. I just love plants. I want all the plants, and this is so awesome. So if you guys are unfamiliar, you put water in there and then you put a cutting of the plants and you put it through the hole and you watch your plant root and grow. That is really cool to see that happen. I've done it before. Plant in soil when the roots have grown 1 to 2 inches. I think this is such a smart idea. I love that they are so eco-friendly and give us ideas on how to repurpose our candles. By the way, if you guys have any ideas on or like what you've done with repurposing candles or any ideas you want to try, please share in the comments for us to all see and try out too. I'm super excited. I love Vellabox. I say that every time because I do. I really love it. So highly recommend. Again, I will leave the link and the code down below to save 50% off your first box. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. And again, if you are new, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. So that means I can see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.